Hey y'all, welcome back. In today's video, this is going to be part 2 to that Rosalind haul. So for the base of the nails, I went in with Feet and Snail Code Chiffon. And so for the majority of this video, it's going to be multiple colors, more like a summer look rather than spring. So for this entire set, I was just trying out. So I wanted to see what the not polished umber gel was. But at first, I thought it was a blooming gel. But you'll see later on the video that I actually used my own blooming gel to do the effect. This set was inspired by another nail artist by the name of Nails by Kate on IG. I'm probably saying her name wrong, but you will see it on the screen at the top, how it's written. So moving on into the set, I'm going to be taking these two greens from Rosalind. It's the C077 and then C387. Before I go in with the colors, I'm going to be taking this not polished umber gel and laying it down first. Now for this design, I was just randomly doing stuff. I didn't have any set in mind, even though I had an inspo picture of what I wanted. I wasn't really going off of that, technically. So here's the artist's nails right here. This is the inspo. And let me just say, my nails couldn't compete at all. If you ever want to try something like this to make her life easier, get the ombre brush. I actually have one, but I didn't feel like pulling it out just to go back and forth between it because I'm lazy or whatever. So all I'm doing is basically just blending the colors together until I get, the desired look I wanted, and then we're gonna move on to the next colors. So personally, I don't cure one at a time. I go ahead and do all of them at once. So you see me here, I'm just applying the umber gel, and then we're going to get to the next color. Moving right along to the index finger, I'm going to be taking the C010 and then the C073, which is the reds. Alrighty, so now on to the orange. So we're going to be using C047, C052, and then C371. So finally, we're going to be on the blues. I'm going to be taking C398, C402, and C521. If you're a beginner and you do not know this, so when you're working with gel or anything like that, make sure you constantly wipe your sides so you won't lose your shape. And also, usually when I get done with my sets, I like to go in with my file and, fix the sides if anything is messed up. Alright, so here's the part I was talking about earlier in the video. I'm going to be taking this Blossom Gel and I'm going to be using my liner and I'm going to be creating lines throughout the nails. So for the line work, I'm going to be taking Dynamic Nail Supply black liner and then Drip the Acrylics Moonstone liner. And let me just say they don't even come for me. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just randomly creating lines and dots, So mind your business. We're heading towards the end of this video. I didn't record me putting the top coat and the charms on, but let me know what y'all think of this set down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye!